So hello learners, welcome to bloggertutor.com, and in this video or in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create a free Akismet account and how to use Akismet plugin for free to reduce or to ban spam comments on your website. Okay, I'm going to discuss about the spam comments in the later section of the video, so please make sure you subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest updates on this channel as soon as possible. Okay, so let's move on the screen and see how the spam comment looks like and how we can reduce them or ban them on sites. Okay, so here I am on my screen, and this is a new fresh installation. I have installed this site a week ago on WordPress. Okay, so this is a pretty fresh installation of WordPress, and let me first of all show you the spam comments, how they look like and how to avoid them. Okay, so here these three comments, look at them. Okay, my site is a Hindi site, but these comments are from I don't know which language they commented, and this comment is done by most of the spamming tools there are available in market. So you can use them as a black hat SEO tools because they just create backlinks on several sites to increase the DA and PA of websites. Okay, but these spamming things can make your site DA PA low because they increase your spam scores, right? So how to avoid this type of spamming on your website in the comment section? To do so, there are various plugins available in the market, but in this blog or in this tutorial I will show you so-called default WordPress anti-spam plugin called Akismet. So in this tutorial I will show how to set up a free Akismet account to reduce the spam on your site or to ban the spam on your site. Okay, to do so we have to go to the plugin section, just click on add new. Okay, so when you go to the plugin in admin section, I think there they will show you the Akismet at the top. Yeah, right. It will show you on the top to install the Akismet anti-spam plugin. But if you not so just if you do not so see the anti-spam plugin Akismet, just search here Akismet. Okay, Akismet, and you will see this plugin called Akismet by Automatic. Okay, this is plugin by Automatic, which is the partner of WordPress.org. Okay, so here this plugin have 5+ million active installation. Okay, just install it. After installing, you need to create an account. Okay, I will show you step by step how to do that. But just wait a second, it's just installing. I want to mention one thing, that this plugin is very effective than other plugins in the market because this is a default WordPress plugin and they update their database according, just like antivirus, they have a database of spam comments. So they update those comments periodically to maintain the spam score low on every site that use the Akismet or Akismet plugin. Okay, so when you activate the plugin, this will ask you to set up Akismet account. Okay, so click on set up Akismet account. Okay, just click here, set up Akismet account. You will be redirected to this page. Now there is the thing mentioned how many spam comments have been blocked and how much they mentioned in the database. So these are the spam comments. Okay, they have on their database that have been marked spammed, right? So just click on set up your Akismet account and don't go with these plans with pricing. Just click on personal, get personal. Okay, now here you can see a slider with $36 per year, these things. Okay, you don't need to go for the price, just reduce it as a zero. Okay, click slide it to zero. Now you need to enter your email, so I'm going to use a fake email for that because I already have an Akismet account. I just want to show you how to use it. Okay, so how to create account. Okay, so I'm using a just a fake email, you can say a additional email, not personal email. So this is my email. Put my name Rahul. Okay, Rahul Singh, right? Then the my personal site URL here will be use Akismet. Okay, so the site is this wpseco.com. Okay, so just control C and here control V. So just copy paste this. I don't have ads on my side. Actually they provide the personal license for those who don't have ads on site, who are not making profit from site. Okay, for the personal use, not for commercial use. So yeah, we are going to use AdSense on your on blog in future. We are going to promote our business, we are going to sell products on blog. But yeah, you can use personal license on them also, so just don't worry about this. Just continue with personal subscription. Now you need to enter the confirmation code that has been sent on your email. Just click on mail, and let's see which one are SSP8's one. Okay, so in this email I should have received an email from Akismet support. Yeah, here is the verification code, right? This is the verification code we have to enter on Akismet. Okay, when you continue this thing, this will verify the code and complete the setup process. Okay, now here they already sent you. Now this sign up complete, the sign up has been completed. Now you don't need to open this window, just close it and go to your email. Okay, they have sent you the API key that you need. This is your API key. Okay, so just copy it and mark this particular image as a start, because if you deactivate this plugin and you have to use in future, you need this API key, so you have to mark it as a star or as a important message, so that you can find this API key later. Okay, now click on manually enter an API key, return to copy this API key and return to your dashboard, or here you can see the manually enter an API key. Click here, and here you can paste the API key that have been provided by Akismet support team. Okay, connect with API. When you click on the connect with API, it will activate the Akismet account and it will ask you to set up some options, some default options, so that it can mark spam your comments. Okay, so here are options. I will tell you which you need to enable or disable. Okay, so your API key is now active. Here the thing is written that Akismet is now protecting your site from spam. Happy blogging. Okay, so the number of approved comment beside each comment author. Yeah, this is good thing. Strictly silent. Yeah, okay. Display a privacy notice. No. So these are the things you need to set up. Now save the change. After you click on save changes, it will not allow any spam comment on your website. If they use the spamming tools on your site, it will just mark those comment as a spam and delete them in 30 days, I think. So okay, you can see the Akismet is now protecting your site, and this here you can see the Akismet personal free non-commercial license, but you don't have to worry about if you use an AdSense, etc. Okay,